Pack your spy gear, we got a mission just for you. Spy You is the latest VBS theme from Answers in Genesis, and we are so excited to tell you all about it. Hi VBS Directors, I'm Lauren from Concordia Supply, and welcome to our first look at VBS 2027 series. In this video, we are covering the latest VBS theme released by Answers in Genesis, titled Spy You. This VBS trains kids to be special agents to detect false intel and come to know, love, and live for God. With some unique special agents like Homer the Pigeon and Camel the Octopus, kids will leave this VBS knowing how to uncover counterfeits, but most importantly, discover who the one true God is. Let's take a deeper dive into this theme together. First, the setting. This VBS takes kids to Spy You, a spy training campus. When kids arrive at Spy You, they'll step into a world of secret missions, coded messages, and undercover operations. Think high-tech headquarters, classified documents, and training facilities. But what really sets this VBS apart is its focus on apologetics. Answers in Genesis crafts their VBS every year to be a training ground for kids to not just learn about the Bible, but equip them with the why. By the end of VBS, kids will know these 5 key points: how to recognize the one true God, explore the Trinity, discover how to become a child of God, crack codes revealing God's attributes, and learn that God wants to be their first love. These are all essential to creating a lasting faith. VBS directors will love Spy You because it weaves apologetics into every single lesson. Kids don't just hear that God is real, they learn why the God of the Bible stands apart from every other counterfeit. Packed with biblical truth and a clear gospel presentation, Spy You equips children to recognize false views of God and discover who He truly is. These lessons are more valuable than ever in the world that we live in today. Ready to start your Spy You mission? Secure your kit at concordiasupply.com/VBS and unlock a free gift from our VBS 2027 collection. This offer is only available for a limited time, so grab your new VBS gift while you can. For more insights, ideas, and every resource that you need for VBS, visit us at concordiasupply.com/VBS or chat with one of our experts at 1-800-521-0751. We are here and ready to help you plan your best VBS from start to finish.